everyone, this is Maria and today I have another fun toy unboxing. I found these mystery packages at the 99-cent only store. They're called Zomblings in the town. So they're zombies and they come with these little booths right here, these little buildings, and it looks like you can stack them. They're towers, it says. They come in different colors. Look at that, aren't they cute? And so this is series 1. It says there's more than 100 Zomblings to collect. Look for the special Zomblings. And here you can see a better picture of the artwork. Aren't these cute? Have you ever heard of these? I had never seen these before. And so they had just set these out at our 99-cent only store. And it looks like they're made by What's Not Toys. They have a Facebook page. It says ages 3 and older. And so I purchased 15. There's 24 in a package like this box right here, but I only got 15. And so let's go ahead and open these up. And so I don't even know what one looks like, you guys, except from by the picture. Let me just snip that off. Okay, here's a little booklet, and I accidentally cut that, you guys, so be careful with that. Oh my gosh, they weren't kidding. Look at all of the different zombies. And they have different themes. So this is Spooky Street, Icky Igloo, Zombling Zoo, Haunted Hotel, that sounds fun, Freaky Farm. And then on the back here, it says Creepy Circus and Ultra Rare. So here are the really rare ones. And limited edition, there's 3 different limited edition ones. And so let's go ahead and see which one we have. Oh, look, this is really cute. So this is one of the little towers. I think there's a lot of detail on it. Look at the little windows. I see the little hinge there. Oh, wait, there's a little door right here. Ah, there it is. Okay. Oh my gosh. Look how cute this is. That is so cute. And so it's rubbery. There's a little hole here, so I'm wondering if you could put this as a pencil topper. So I found a pencil, and it looks like it fits perfectly on there. So you can use these as pencil toppers. This is really cute. It looks like a little bat. And look at those fangs. Okay, let's open the next one. Look, you guys. From the bottom, there was this little thing there, and I just pulled. So we don't need scissors after all. And this one is orange. Look at that. I love the color. Again, there's the little booklet here. And let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, this one is cute. Look at that. That is really cute. It looks like a zombie bird or a zombie duck. Look at that. So cute and so funny. Okay, so let's go ahead and put him back. And so they do have a rubbery feel. Now we could start stacking these up. And so let's go ahead and open this one. So it's right side up. It's right side up. We're going to turn it upside down. You can see that right there. And let's go ahead and open them. That makes it so much easier. And let's set that aside. This one is red. I do have to turn these upside down because I can't see where to open them. Oh, look at this one. I like that one. That one's really neat. Looks like he's got a little barbell there. It's a little golden one. Really like that golden boy zombie. And so let's go ahead and stack one there. And let's see what this one is. A blue one. You know, this is really cool because we've gotten different colors. And let's see this one. Oh my gosh. Looks like he's just dragging his feet, right? That's really cute. But actually, I think he's on a surfboard. That's why he's standing that way. There he goes. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Okay, so let's go ahead and stack one there. And here's another one. And these are only 99 cents. Another red one. And we have, oh my gosh, that is so cute and funny. Really cute. I'm not sure what it is. I almost want to say a hippopotamus. Oh no, a cow. I think it's a cow because I see the little udders there. Okay, put him right back in. And let's take out another one. Okay, this one is green. The tower is green. Tossing that aside. Look how pretty this color is. I love this. And so let's go ahead and open this up. What do we have inside? Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at the little bandages on his nose or on his beak. These are really cute. And for 99 cents, I think these are great. And let's go ahead and open this one. I love these mystery packages so much. They're so much fun, you guys. And plus, when they're 99 cents, they're really great to share with friends. And you can put these in birthday party bags. So another red one. Oh, look at this. And so far, we haven't had any duplicates. This looks like a little clown. It's really cute. I love clowns. I love clowns. I know not everyone does, but I do. And let's go ahead and open this one. It's another blue one, just like the first one. Let's see what's inside. Oh, look at this one. That is so cute. And you can see how rubbery they are. Look at his little hat. Looks like a pirate. I'm thinking it's a pirate. So let's reach for another one. And it's another green one. Here we are. Okay, so it's another green one. And what do we have? Oh, look at this. It's an elephant, a zombie elephant. This is really cute. This is awesome that we haven't had any duplicates yet. I'm gonna move this right over here, just like that. Okay, so, and maybe it's because they have 100 plus to collect. So there's so many. And then here's another one. Look at that. That is so cute. He has a mohawk. That is so cute. And a little guitar, so he has to be a rock star. He has to be a rock star. Look at the little star in his eye. When I was a kid, I loved the pencil toppers that I could put on my pencils at school. And sometimes we would get them out of the Fritos. I remember the Frito packages, the chips, and my mom would let us take turns, you know, when we each got to have one. Look at this. Little purple one. Okay. Oh, this is cute. Again, this is something different. Look at that. That is so cute. Look at his little green face and his teeth. So cute. I think it's a monkey because look at his ears and his little tail. So adorable. Yeah, these are fun. Okay, so let's go ahead and open another. And we have another turquoise one here. I love this color. Okay. This is a fun unboxing for summer. And look at the fish. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. We have 3 left. A little purple one. So this is our second purple tower. And let's go ahead and open this one. Opens this way. Oh, look. Look at this. I'm trying to think, what is the name of this? This is like a gecko, right? Like a little lizard. That is really cute. I really like that one. So let's open this one. It's a green one. I could look them up later to see their names. Otherwise, it would just take a long time. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. This is so adorable. Look at the little pony. I really, really love this one. That is so cute. That is so much fun. Okay, we have one left. One left. So let's go ahead and open this one. And let's hope that this is not a duplicate because we haven't had any so far. And so it's a green tower. Looks like we open it right there. Oh, look, it's a piggy. That is so cute. A piggy zombie. I really love this. So cute. So here they are, Zomblings in the town. What do I think of these? I think they're really cute. I think they make great pencil toppers. I love minis. I love that they come in these little towers. And I especially love that I did not get a duplicate out of 15 packages. And I really think that's because they have 100 more to collect. So I give these Zomblings in the town 2 thumbs up. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great summer, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.